In this lesson, I'm going to show how to create a perpendicular line that goes through a point that is perpendicular to another line. And I'm not going to create secondary points on that. I already tried to make this video and put those on there, and it just became too confusing. So I'm going to leave that blank. Assume that there's, obviously there's an infinite number of points along there, but what we're looking at is a line through this point and through that line segment. We'll call a line segment M. Okay. Again, using a small letter because we represent lines in small letters and points with capitals. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create measure. It doesn't really matter what's, oh my goodness, I'm squishing again. It doesn't matter what size we're using. We just have to make sure that it hits the line on both sides of that A point. So I'm going to do it like this. That's one distance. This is the same distance, crossing at a different point. And I'm going to call those points B and C. So it's going to cross at points B and C, which is exactly why I did not label this, because if I put points on there ahead of time, then it would get confusing with the points that were there. Okay. Double check to make sure that I didn't squish my thing again. Good. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and create an arc from points B and C. Oops. Okay. And I'm going to find where they cross. Like that. Okay, I was worried there for a second, but shouldn't have been. We'll call this point D. Now, if you remember from our earlier video where we had the segment bisector, when these distances are the same, we have the rhombus, right? And now we're kind of reconnecting with where we were in that one. We create this perpendicular line right through there, crossing